Hello, everybody. This is a vlog update. I'm not a big vlogger, but vlog update on the studio work that is going on. We're pretty much where we are for building right now because we don't have any more in stock parts that we can get the rest of what we need. So we got one cabinet set done. We finally finished that. We have the calyx set. If we've customized a little bit, you can see the slots that we've built into the calyx drawers. We've got the different storage units installed there. We have the cabinets that are now built right there, as you can see, that we are now starting to utilize, and are full of my wife's equipment in the storage there. And then, as you can see here, we have my desk where I will be doing some A-roll, doing reviews, that sort of thing. You can see my shotgun mic. I've got a shot box there for doing shots for reviews for hardware. And then, of course, here you can see this is the stream area and the gaming PC, and my cabinet back there that I have with my RGB. So currently that's where we're at. The studio, at least the one half of the room is done. We're still waiting on IKEA to get the rest of our cabinets in stock. That will go right there. We have the corner unit, but we don't have anything else, and it doesn't look like they're going to have anything before the first or second week of February. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of where we're at. So right now, my wife, she's working on this table, working off of this table right now that we're kind of utilizing as a workspace, because she is supposed to be getting the same desk that I have, and that'll be her sit-stand workspace that she can work from and do her crafts, and we'll do filming and stuff like that there. But other than that, that's really kind of where we're at. Not a ton of movement. We do have, let's see, let's show some things here. As you can see, obviously, I'm getting ready to do a review on these headsets. This will probably be, between that or this will probably be my first hardware review using some of the new equipment. This is a sponsored review. This is not a sponsored review. And let's see, of course, I told you about the cabinets here. I still have some work there. We gotta cut a couple more little pieces there so that we can, we put them into the top here, and then that'll, hold that up. And let's see, we do have that cabinet. That's another piece that I didn't show you that we've gotten done. Of course, I've already talked about the curtains before. But yeah, that's the bigger thing, is we got to get this done. This is going to be a little different. So we have, this is a corner piece, just like over in the corner here. This is a 30-inch cabinet with drawers, and then this is a 30-inch cabinet with shelves in it. The plan over here is to have an identical unit right there to the left of the corner unit that is like that guy right there. So they'll be matching. But then all the way down to about right where you start to see the RGB lighting hitting the wall there, that's going to be all cabinets. So it's going to be 3 30-inch cabinets, I believe. It's either 2 or 3, I can't remember. But yeah, so we'll have countertop space, and that's going to be go all the way down there for extra cabinet space, and we'll do a lot of filming and review stuff there too. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing more work in here. Everything is going along pretty good, other than just having to deal with the lack of stock from IKEA. But I mean, that's just what we got to deal with, I guess. But it's a mess. There's a lot of stuff that we're doing to bring back up, bringing a lot of the stuff that was up here originally and put it in its rightful place for the new storage. And we have a lot of lighting to do. Let's see. We have a bunch of this stuff that we're getting ready to mount up. These are RGB strip lighting that we'll be putting up throughout the ceiling here, as you can see. Not super expensive at all. This kit was for what it is, relatively inexpensive, but these will clip into the we'll put clips into the ceiling, and then these will mount in various areas as we need them. Up here along these edges, they'll go up there. But we have a bunch of these. that we need to do, and then I need to acoustically treat the room. So I'll be building acoustic panels, and I'll probably do that up here, other than the cutting, which, you know, I don't know, I may do the cutting up here too and just vacuum the mess up. But anyway, I'll keep you informed as we continue to move along, and hopefully I'll be able to do a full studio tour and kind of show everything off and show the storage and everything and what we've done. But other than that, I hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you later.